Hey, this is Walt Gerald coming at you. As I promised you, I'll get back with you. I'm starting out a little thing with some beef jerky experiment in here. As you can see, I had a batch that I done overnight. Came out very well. It cured up pretty good. Has an excellent flavor. A little kick behind it, but it certainly turned out well. That's my last batch going in tonight, this morning rather. These have been marinating overnight, so they're going to also have a whole lot of flavor on them and stuff. And hopefully the next time I shoot something at you, it's going to be something a little bit different. This is my first roll-off experience on YouTube, so I'm just hanging there with me, and I promise you we're going to share some recipes that's going to be unbelievable. You guys take care. Bye.